I'm Mrs. Jack, and today we are going to talk about atoms. But first, let's do something together. So if you can, go ahead and go grab a sheet of paper. It can be a scrap paper, something that you don't, it's okay tearing it up or throwing it away. Or you can just watch with me. All right, so I have my piece of paper, and here's what you're going to do. You're going to cut it in half. You can use scissors, or you can just do this. It's not perfect, but that's okay. So it is in half now, and what am I going to do next? I'm going to tear it in half again. Put the one half down, the other half, and now I have a smaller piece. And what am I going to do now? Yep, half again. Keep going until you cannot tear it in half anymore. So I'm still going. We want to make sure you can't cut it in half. Try to make it as even as possible, but that's okay. So in half, again. We're getting kind of small here. Again, I can still cut it in half. Keep doing it as long as you can cut it in half until you cannot cut it any longer. I do have scissors that can still cut it in half. Let's see. I'm gonna get this thing small. Can you see it? Can you see it? Maybe, maybe not. Oh, no, okay. It's okay, I got it. All right, so I have my piece of paper, and I know I can get it a little bit smaller. All right, let's see. Now that's pretty small. I think I can do it a little bit. I'm gonna show you all. Maybe if you're doing it with me, maybe you got it to be almost just a speck. I don't know if you can see that there. You probably can't because it's really small. So I can compare it also to a tip of a pencil. So I pretty much got it about that size. And even though it's that small, which you can't even probably see, you might be able to see or at least visualize the tip of a pencil. There's still millions of atoms on the tip of this pencil or on this piece of paper. With that being said, atoms are very small. And actually, atom is the smallest form of matter. So they are indivisible. They actually mean, the word atom means indivisible. So it cannot be cut anymore. Similar to our activity here, you'll be able to notice that we can't cut it anymore. That's what an atom is. So atoms make up everything. They are everywhere. If an atom bonds to another atom, that's how they make different stuff. So they can make water, air, even me and you. So we are going to be talking about the parts of an atom. There's 3 main parts of an atom, and you're going to explore a little bit with that with the Addams Family album. Yes, Addams Family. Okay, so check out this passage and see if you can picture and visualize the 3 parts of an atom, and also see if you can write and describe them a little bit. Next time, we're going to be talking about those 3 main parts of an atom. Thanks for watching. See you next time.